we are going to do only receipts and payments account from the given information. Receipts means the amounts received and the payments means whatever payments is made by the business. Let us see the first. Here opening balance of cash, opening bank balance. Always they are starting debit balances. So we show it on the debit side. But there is no date. Here they are not mentioned. Just 1,500. And then opening balance of bank balance you are showing as on the debit side as 4,500. Now subscriptions collected is a receipt. Receipts will be shown on the receipt side. So 2 subscriptions we are showing the amount as 8,000. Then entertainment show receipts. So the statement itself says that receipts means anything received will come on the debit side. So we are showing as to entertainment show receipts, it is an income 4,000. Then entrance fee received. Entrance fee is a regular income, so that we can show it on the receipt side as the amount is 2,000. Now computer purchased, when you are buying any asset, anything, the amount is going out, you are making payments, so it comes on the payment side. Buy computer 3,000. Then tournament expenses, that means these are the expenditures for conducting the tournament. You incur the expenditures, so that you have to show it on the credit side, that is payment side. So that is buy tournament expenses, we are showing the amount as this one 3,000. Next one, entertainment show receipts. So 1,800. Entertainment show expenses, this is an expenditure, so we show it on the expenditure side or the payment side as 1,800. Then comes paid for periodicals. These are expenditures, so we show it on the expenditure side or payment side. By periodicals we are showing as 1,200. Then salaries paid is a payment, so we show it on the payment side by salaries, that is 1,200. Then rent paid is an expenditure, so payment we show it on the payment side by rent paid. How much? It is 4,000. Now they gave you the closing cash balance. We will be showing, it will be shown on the credit side by cash balance carried down, that is 1,800. Now we have to find out the bank balance. So debit side is more. So first we add up debit side. So by bank balance just write down and leave it. Then 4,000 you got, because how you got? After subtracting from the total amount. Total amount came here on the debit side is more, that is 20,000. On the credit side is 16,000. So from 16,000 we deducted 4,000. We got 20,000 we deducted 16,000. We got 4,000 as the bank balance. Now here you have to remember only few points. Here I wrote date, particulars, LF, then amount, date, particular, LF. Instead of particulars, debit side you can write down even receipts, and then on the credit side you can write down payments. So we start with the starting balances and we end up with the ending balances. The cash balance they only gave, the remaining balance is said to be bank balance. The total of debit is 20,000, the total of credit is 16,000. From 20,000 we deducted 16,000, we got 4,000 as the balance carried down.